Meaning of fricative.
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 Fricative. A fricative is a type of consonant sound that is produced by the partial obstruction of airflow in the mouth, causing turbulent air to be released. Fricatives are characterized by a hissing or buzzing quality, and can be further categorized as either voiced or voiceless. The most common examples of fricative sounds in English include f, v, s, z, sh, and th. Fricatives are an important component of many languages and contribute to their overall sound and phonology. Mastering fricatives can greatly improve one's pronunciation and ability to communicate effectively in a given language.